Oh, you excited? Nice. Haircut.
You don't look too excited. Are you excited?
Are you excited?
You
Gabe,
ready?
are you excited?
Ready? Ready?
Uncle J is gonna start cutting. Ta-da! Oh, somebody's happy to have a new haircut. I see you. That's nice. Okay, have fun. Okay?
I'm going to bed at 3 a.m.
4 a.m.
4 a.m.?
No way.
No, 1 a.m.
Oh
1
no,
a.m.?
still is too bad. You're going to bed at 9 maximum, 9 o'clock. You're super late, 9:30, guarantee, out of sight. Okay?
That's late for me.
Yeah,
I
for
go to bed
sure.
early.
Gonna be good. Your candy's right here, waiting for you to get done, and you'll have your candy. All right, let's keep it right here safe for you. You too, you need some haircuts? You do? Oh, you really like it? Okay, you wait until your hair grows, okay? You wait until your hair grows, then we can do haircut. Uncle J will do it. Yes, you excited? Super excited. He's busy laughing.
There's a little laugh over there.
Yeah, little smile.
I can see that. Oh,
For
look at that.
sure. Ah, need a haircut too? Oh, your hair is so cool already.
Almost. A
Mm-hmm.
little while.
Yeah. Somebody's playing the game. Bingo! You're playing bingo?
Mom, you want to play?
Yeah, sure.
The heart. I'll
No,
be the
wait,
heart.
wait.
Okay.
I'll be the plus, the close.
I want to try.
You wanna be the heart?
Chris already won then.
Okay, let me do this. Let's
Chris
see
already
who's
won, Mommy.
where.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, bingo!
Yay!
Wow, you're gonna get the candy. Bingo, you got it.
That's this
You
guy.
are the winner.
Oh, that's the rock.
Excellent.
That's the rock.
Oh, nice country music.
I win.
So nice. Rock it in. How are you looking like? Ooh, super duper cute already. Awesome job, Uncle J. Wow, nice. Almost done. Sit still, okay? Sit still. You're almost done. I know. You're having fresh air? You're out from home? Boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo. You want to blow? Boo, 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 boo. Ooh, I see. We are waiting for brother to get done with the haircut.
Mom, she couldn't do it.
Yep,
Okay, my
it's
turn, my
blocking.
turn.
Oh,
thank
thank you. You have them quarter, now you can get the gumbo.
You can
Gumbo.
use any coin. It doesn't matter which one.
Oh, nice. I thought they're gonna use only quarters. Any coins?
Nah, you only got one little number.
Did you get a gumbo? Oh, nice. You got it. Another one. You push all in.
Oh.
Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Keep doing. Okay, you get a gumbo. You got a gumbo. Where is it? Let me see.
Red.
Red. Perfect. Enjoy. Oh dear, Q2 candies. You got it again?
Yeah. Any cool?
Oh wow. Let me get the orange. Nice. You feel the good music of God.
Add.
to somebody better. Hi. 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 Hi, baby. You are being cool? It's nice and cool here, huh? Outside is super hot. I know, right? You are happy in here, right? Nice. Let's wait for brother to get done with your haircut and be ready to go home. Enjoy the breezy. Yes, sweetie. Mwah. Yeah. Somebody is very quiet, behaving so good.
Doing very good.
Nah, you deserve 2 candy now, not
Yes,
1.
absolutely.
You're gonna get 2
I'll
candies.
gladly give you 2 candies for saying this good, bud.
Oh,
You did
yeah.
Awesome.
He did well, well, well. Good job. You're a big
Do you
brother
smile
now.
at all, though? You ever smile?
Gabe, can you smile? He's like, wow, I get what I wanted. I'm good. Nice, baby. Nice haircut. That's our favorite haircut store. You always come here. Nice. Good for summer. Let the fun start. Let's go swimming. Huh? Yeah, I like swimming and playing at the park.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, you look tired already because we had already gone to the park.
It's
At
hot
12
out,
to
too.
1.
Yeah,
We had to
it's
come
hot.
back.
It's hot out, yeah.
It was super hot. Your candy's waiting for you, and you're gonna get the second one. Okay? And one? And the third one. You want the third. Wow.
That's why he said so good. He wanted the third one.
Oh dear.
You
Nice.
know.
Okay. Wow. Mr. Jumping. You're running. What's the name of the song, baby? Huh? Oh, it's called Dance by Planet Shakers. Nice.
I'll
That's
eat your
good.
gumballs.
Okay. Awesome. Excellent. Yes, baby. Close your eyes. Yeah. You're gonna smell so good. Like Barber Shop Master J himself.
Ooh, yeah. Look at the smile. He's
Yes.
smiling. Yeah, now
Good
you're
job,
happy.
baby. Voila. Say thank you. You're running to get the candy.
Give me a hug, bud.
Yes. Good job.
You got the big
You are the
seat.
next one, baby. You're gonna be done quick.
You ready?
More.
More? Higher?
He like higher. Oh my goodness.
It doesn't go any higher.
That's maximum, baby.
That's it.
Nice. Excited? Ready for adventure? Good job. Make sure you sit still, baby. Okay. Yeah, nice. Oh, we need to take all this kipili-pili here.
He's got tight hips.
Yeah, super tight. Good. You ready? Oh, voila. Good job. He's a good Uncle J. Don't worry. As usual. See? It's easier.
Okay.
Perfect. Good job, Chris. You have it, Candy? Okay. You need to share, baby. You too? You wanna go? Screaming like mommy? You so happy? Yes, I can tell. Super excited. Ooh. Mommy, mommy. Yummy, yummy. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You finish all the milk, baby. Yeah. Aww. See, you finish all the milk. Good boy. Finish the last drop, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want it. Okay, you don't want it. Down and down and down. He's so happy. Yeah. You go, you
Give it up for Jesus, praise His name.
go. Me and my twin screaming. Ah! Ah! My twin baby. Yes! Oh! Num, 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 num. I know. I know. We're losing up this seat belt because we are inside. But once we get in the car, we're gonna untie it and fix all the way on the shoulders, guys. Yep. Yes, you're almost done, baby. I'm coming. Wow. See, almost done. Uncle J, I told you. He's the best. Super fast, almost done. Good job, Chris. Stay there.
Look, what did I do?
You're doing your best. Nice. Oh, good job. My goodness, you look like a cool kid for real. I'm a cool kid. Oh, nice. Yeah, wow. The before and after is not lying. Amazing job, Uncle. Nice. You're gonna look special.
Close your eyes.
Oh, nice. Woohoo. See, smells good.
Look at that. Now you smell like
amazing.
a man. Look at that.
You're a good,
Like it?
cool kid. Awesome.
You bud.
Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome.
Well done, well done.
Thank you guys.
Okay.
So,
Wow, 3:30 on time.
yep.
Sharp.
You didn't show up.
They don't show up, they miss it, we take over.
That's it.
That's the best barbecue shop.
He's got a tough name. You guys got easy names.
I know for sure. He is. That's nice. See you next time for sure. Okay, guys, let's go.
Guys have a good summer. I'll see you in a few weeks.
Thank you for sure. See you in a few weeks.
Okay.
Happy summer.
You too.
Okay, see you, Uncle.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye. Yeah. It's nice. Make your appointment. Come and get the best haircut ever for your boys and girls if you want to, anytime. Oh, nice. It's open Monday to Sunday. Yep. Even mini children, guys, you're welcome. Okay, my babies are in there already. Yeah, good job. Put your seatbelt on.
Some gum.
Okay.
Wow.
You want some gum? I'll give it to you. All right. Good job, baby. Where, baby? Canopy Lake. Oh, we shall go there next time, guys. Not now. Now we're going home. Yep. See you next 3-4 weeks. And baby, which gum you want? You want the green
Or orange.
mint or the orange?
Orange.
Okay, got it. All right. Ready to go, guys? How is your hair? How you feel, baby?
Good.
You feel good? You like your haircut? Gabe look like he really love his haircut. Let me see, baby. Oh, nice. Oh, I like your wig, Chris. Beautiful.
Thanks.
You're welcome. You look super smart. Oh, yeah. Duper, duper, super. Look like a super cool kid. Right, baby? Okay. Yeah, me and my girl, we shall fix our hair next week. Right? Mm-hmm. Right, girl?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. This just some braids by mine. Yeah, the hair is still beautiful. And I'll fix mine. You want some water? Okay, wait a minute. Telling you, when you have kids, you have to fix 2 or 5 times about the seat belt. You put on, they take it out. No, no. Bro, put it back. Make sure it's nice and tight. No, put back here. Good job. Right here. Perfect. Much better. No. Right here. Thank you, baby. Seatbelt too. Put your seatbelt by yourself. Oh yeah. Mommy life. Continue as usual. Oh yeah.
I'm coming because I got lollipop.
Okay, baby. Yes, we are going home now. After my baby's had nice haircut. Cause it's too hot. It's very hard. You know, showering and combing. It's gonna be easy and slow. And looking super smart. Yep. And I'm glad they love it. And they look good. That's what mothers do every day. To make sure the kids are doing great, doing good, and looking smart, and clean, and healthy. Busy life, mom. Continue as usual. Thank you all for watching our channel, liking and share and commenting. What should we do better? Life is simple. You do what pleases you. Thank you and God bless you. Okay, dear friends, we arrived home safe. Thank you and God bless you. Bye. Hi, little one. Oh, you behave so good. Bye. A flower? From where?
In the
Oh,
bedroom.
you gave it to me? Thank you, baby. You are so sweet. God bless you. My baby got a flower from the garden and brought it to me. Think it's a way of saying thank you, mom, for taking us for haircut. Wow, so beautiful. Ow. He's so sweet. I'm grateful for him. God bless him. He's so kind and loving. We are home. Bye.